everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think I have spoken a lot about the health benefits of chia seeds in this channel. So in today's video, I am not going to repeat about what all benefits you would be getting in case you include these seeds in your diet, but rather I am going to show you 4 ways of incorporating chia seeds in your daily diet. In case if you haven't watched this previous video, I will leave a link to this in the description box below. So in case you are wondering about the benefits of chia seeds, you can actually go and see that video for yourself. In today's video, we are going to learn about 4 different ways and 4 unique ways of incorporating chia seeds in your daily diet, starting from your breakfast to dinner. Let's start.
Early morning chia seeds and water. Chia seeds poha for breakfast. Chia seeds omelette for lunch. And chia seeds dosa for dinner. Let's start with the first way of incorporating chia seeds in our diet. For that, take a tablespoon of chia seeds and add a glass of water. A healthy start to the day makes me feel really good. Also, this is a very basic and easy process that you can follow on any day, no matter how busy you are with other chores. But make sure to mix the seeds really well, and you can drink it after waiting for about 15 to 20 minutes. During that time, the seeds will soak water and release a gel-like substance. And this is when they are ready to be consumed. For breakfast, I am making chia seeds poha. I am chopping my favorite vegetables like curry leaves, green chili, onion, broccoli, bell pepper, capsicum and cabbage. Heating up some oil in a frying pan and adding green chili and onion to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding curry leaves, pinch of mustard seeds which is totally optional. Adding capsicum, bell pepper, and broccoli to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Adding cabbage and salt as per taste. Adding a tablespoon of raw chia seeds. You can also soak the chia seeds for a few minutes and then use it. Adding pinch of black pepper powder. And lastly, add flat rice or poha as needed. Adding little more salt for enhanced taste. You can also add few drops of lemon juice in it before having this breakfast. For lunch, I am making chia seeds omelette and will have it with rice and dal. Follow your usual process of making omelette. I am finely chopping an onion and a green chili. Adding 4 eggs. Pinch of salt, turmeric powder, pinch of black pepper powder, and about a tablespoon of soaked chia seeds. I usually soak about 2 spoons of chia seeds every alternate day and store it in the fridge so that it can be used whenever needed. Give everything a good mix. Heat up some oil and go ahead with your regular process of making omelette. Chia seeds has a very mild nutty taste, so you can add it in almost everything without tempering with the taste of your food. For dinner, I am making chia seeds dosa. I am using a ready-made batter, but you can make the batter at home as well. Taking about 4 spoons of the batter and adding some water, as I like my dosa to be very thin. And a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds. I prefer soaked chia seeds rather than using the dry one. Give everything a good mix and pour in the batter in a frying pan to make dosa. I serve this with mango curry and dinner is also done. I hope you found these 4 ways of incorporating chia seeds in daily diet useful. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.